Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create cashback rewards with Bank of America. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To create cashback rewards with Bank of America, start by ensuring you have an eligible Bank of America credit card. Visit the official Bank of America website and log in to your online banking account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by providing your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section to check your current cashback rewards program. Review the terms and conditions associated with your card's rewards program for specific details. Take note of any categories that offer higher cashback percentages, as these can maximize your returns. Next, use your Bank of America credit card for everyday purchases to start earning cashback. Make sure to stay within your budget to manage your finances effectively while earning rewards. Keep track of your spending and cashback accumulation through your online banking dashboard. Explore special cashback offers and promotions frequently available for cardholders. Consider setting up alerts or notifications to ensure you don't miss any bonus opportunities. Regularly review your rewards status and make strategic choices about how to use your cashback earnings. When you're ready to redeem your cashback rewards, go back to your online account. Select the preferred method for redemption, such as statement credits, direct deposits, or gift cards. Follow the prompts to complete the redemption process, ensuring you confirm the details before finalizing. Double-check your account statements to verify that your cashback rewards have been applied effectively. Continuously assess your spending habits and adjust accordingly to maximize future cashback opportunities. By following these steps, you can successfully create and manage cashback rewards with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.